Trump is spreading misinformation? Why do you think
former President Trump has sent
spreading
testing kits
misinformation?
to President Putin during the height of the pandemic? Do you have a comment, sir?
Why do you think Trump
Speaking
is?
of un-American,
Why do you think Trump is spreading misinformation?
I don't know. I simply don't know. You can speculate, but I just find it, I've used the phrase more than I've used it ever in my whole career, un-American. It's un-American. It's not who the hell we are. What are they talking about?
Sir, have you considered calling him and asking him to stop doing that, to stop spreading this?
Oh, come on.
Mr. President, does Governor DeSantis need to take Vice President Harris's calls?
All I can tell you is I'm talking to Governor DeSantis. He's been very gracious. He's thanked me for all we've done. He knows what we're doing, and I think that's important.